Hey everybody, in this video I will show you exactly how to get voice chat on Roblox. Make sure to watch the video until the end to get the most out of it. So, to do this, first open your Roblox app on your desktop and then click on the gear icon on the top right corner and select settings. From here, in the account info section, you have to verify your age. If you input your age wrong previously, you can fix this now by simply clicking on the pen and paper icon. From here, you can select any of the options according to your correct age and then hit continue. After that, you can change your date by re-entering your password. After putting all your details, including your email and mobile number verification, hit on privacy. From here, click on communication and then camera input. From here, you can see the option of enabling voice chat. Note, this feature is not available in all countries, so you can check if it is available in your country or not. So, that is it for this video. Please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.